flat shape do you see?
A triangle.
A triangle. Really, really good. So a pyramid is the solid shape for a triangle. It pops out at you. We can actually get inside a pyramid or touch the pyramid or something like that, right? Good. What about this one? Reese, what flat shape do you see in that one?
It's a square.
A square, right? But a cube, it's a popped out version of a square, okay? So very, very good. Makai, did you have something to add?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
A cube is like a dice, but the dice has dots on it or numbers.
Yeah, a cube is one of the real life things that we have is a dice, a pair of die, and those are in the shapes of cubes. Good thing for you to mention. Okay, guys, so I am going to read a book, and every time I mention a new solid shape, we could either call them solid shapes or 3D shapes. Every time I mention a new one, I want you to point to it on your sheet, okay? So let's go over the words. I know these words might be kind of big for you guys to read them yourself, but I'm going to say them and you guys try to remember them for me, okay? The first orange one that you see is a cone, okay? A cone, okay? The second one that you see is a cube. Cube. Very good. Guys, I do want you to repeat me. Thank you for doing that for me. So after I say it, I do want you to repeat me just so you can practice saying the words. That next one is a sphere. What is it called, guys?
Sphere.
Very, very good. Yes.
Sometimes you call circle.
Maybe in another language, but they're circles, just circles. Okay? Yeah, they're really, really good though. And then this next one is a cylinder. Okay?
I knew that.
Just like this piece of chalk is in the shape of a cylinder. No, I'm going to finish the rest of them and so we can get started, okay? This next one is called a rectangular prism. And the last one is a pyramid. So those are all of our 3D shapes, okay? Remember, our 3D shapes pop out. They're the pop-out version of our flat shapes, okay? And also, they have more faces than the flat shapes. But we'll talk about that very, very soon. Okay. Sphere. Put your finger on the sphere. You remember where the sphere was? A sphere looks like a ball. So these are some of the spheres that we see.
And a little globe.
Yes, and a globe and balloon. So when you guys see those, you know that they are spheres. Okay? The next one is a cube. Put your finger on the cube. Yes, yes, yes. And look, remember Kai mentioned like a piece of die that you roll with numbers on it? Or ice cube or a present or a box.
Or an eye.
Yeah, not quite, but very, very close. All of those are cubes, okay? All of the ones that are shaped like a box. Go ahead, Logan.
Like if she had a sticker that looked like a square.
Yes, then that will be a cube. Very, 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 well, no, a cube will pop out at you. A sticker that's like a square would be a flat shape, okay? We wanted ones that pop out at you, but very good. We got to keep thinking about it. That's good. That's fine. And then, let's see if we can put our finger on the solid shape or the 3D shape that looks like a can. Yes, those are called cylinders. Good job, guys. Cylinders. You see cups, cans, these types of things.
A regular
chalk. Yes, all these are cylinders. And then we have cones. Put your finger on the cone. Cone. Those are similar, but the difference between the cone and the pyramid is that the bottom of the pyramid, even though the main shape looks like a triangle, the bottom of the cone looks like a circle. You see that, guys? And then the bottom of the pyramid looks like it's shaped like a square. It doesn't have round edges, it has sharp edges. Okay? So we have cones, and then those are our last, that's our last shape in our 3D shape book. Okay? So, let's see. So unlike, you can just keep taking because I'm gonna have to edit this out. I'm looking for a box.
Oh, I got one.
I have a tissue box somewhere. Yes.
I think you're looking for it.
That could be our cylinder. So we can have cylinder. Yes, what kind?
For a box.
I had one. I just don't have it with me.
How about this?
No, that's a flat one.
He found the box.
We can use it. Okay, so we can use this. So I will use this here to demonstrate a 3D shape. Okay? So point to the one on your page that reminds you of this here. Very good. Rectangular prism. Okay? So unlike a rectangle, with this shape, what makes it a solid shape, this is a rectangle kind of popped out. What makes it like this is that, like a rectangle, we see that rectangles only have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Okay? So, sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. But isn't it more than that on this box? We have different faces. We have this face. We have this face. We have this one. And this one. And our sides. So solid shapes still have corners and sides, but they also have different faces as well. They also have more faces. So with flat shapes, you only have one face, but with solid shapes, you have many faces. It has a front, a back, sides, the sides, ups and downs. It have many different faces. It's just a popped out version of one.